Let me guess. You're standing in a store right now, or scrolling online, thinking, Easter baskets are easy for kids. But what do you put in one for an adult? Because no one wants a basket full of random candy, stuff that gets tossed in a drawer, or something that feels last minute and forgettable. And yet, every year, we still end up buying the same things. But here's the truth no one talks about. Easter baskets for adults and teens can actually be better than kids' baskets. They can be thoughtful, useful, budget-friendly, and honestly, kind of impressive. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. Today, I'm sharing the best Easter basket ideas, including Easter basket ideas for adults that feel more like gifts, trendy Easter baskets for teens they'll actually love, Dollar Tree Easter basket ideas that look way more expensive than they are, and smart Easter basket stuffers that don't feel like filler. Whether you're making 1 basket, 10 baskets, or just need cheap Easter basket ideas that still look cute. By the end of this video, you'll never wonder what goes in an Easter basket again. Let's start with the most overlooked and best Easter baskets of all. Why are Easter baskets for adults becoming so popular? Easter is about joy at every age. Thoughtful Easter basket ideas for adults feel personal, fun, and meaningful. What makes a great adult Easter basket? A theme, useful items, and a personal touch. The best adult Easter basket ideas feel curated, not just childish. If you love creative gift ideas, hit like and share this video with someone who loves Easter. What are the best Easter gift ideas for adults? Self-care items, snacks, candles, and small luxuries. These Easter gift ideas for adults feel relaxing and thoughtful. What Easter gift baskets for adults work for anyone? Coffee baskets, spa baskets, or snack baskets? These Easter gift baskets for adults are versatile and always appreciated. Who are you making an Easter basket for? Adult, teen, or both? Tell me below. What Easter basket ideas for teens are trending? Beauty items, tech accessories, snacks, and gift cards. These Easter basket ideas for teens feel cool and age. Age-appropriate. What Easter gifts for teens are easy to shop for? Candy upgrades, mini gadgets, skincare, and fun socks. These Easter gifts for teens are simple, but exciting. For more holiday gift and DIY basket ideas, check out the playlist. List in the description. How do Easter baskets for teens differ from kids' baskets? Less toys, more practical treats. Easter baskets for teens focus on style, snacks, and personal interests. What adult Easter basket ideas feel extra special? Personalized notes, themed items, and quality products. These adult Easter basket ideas feel intentional. And grown up. Love gift ideas and seasonal inspiration? Subscribe. Subscribe for weekly content. What Dollar Tree Easter basket ideas are budget-friendly? Candles, candy, mugs, socks, and small decor. Dollar Tree Easter basket ideas are perfect for saving money. What cheap Easter baskets ideas still look cute? Use themed colors, reusable baskets, and filler paper. Even cheap Easter baskets ideas can look stylish. For more budget-friendly gift ideas, check the related videos below. What Easter basket stuffers work for all ages? Candy, lip balm, socks, and mini treats. These Easter basket stuffers fill baskets without overspending. What Easter basket fillers make baskets feel full? Shredded paper, tissue, and reusable fillers. Smart Easter basket fillers improve presentation instantly. What cute Easter baskets ideas work for display or gifting? Pastel baskets, fabric bins, or gift boxes. These cute Easter baskets ideas look great before and after Easter. How do Easter gift bags compare to baskets? Gift bags are compact and easy. Easter gift bags work well for coworkers, teens, or last-minute gifts. What's the easiest Easter basket idea to put together quickly? A reusable basket, filler, candy, and one main gift. Even simple Easter gift baskets ideas can feel special. And that's it. 15 Easter basket ideas to help you create thoughtful, fun, and affordable Easter gifts for adults and teens. From Dollar Tree finds and budget baskets to personalized adult Easter gift baskets. There's something here for everyone. Whether you're gifting a loved one or creating baskets for the whole family, these Easter basket ideas for adults prove Easter isn't just for kids anymore. Who are you making an Easter basket for this year? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday gifting and seasonal inspiration.